Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookie icing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra touch, consider adding 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup. This will give your icing a beautiful, glossy finish. Make sure your powdered sugar is sifted to avoid any pesky lumps. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your sifted powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. If you're using corn syrup, add it in now too. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. The goal is a thick but pourable consistency, similar to honey. If it's too thick, add a few drops more milk. If too thin, add a little more powdered sugar. This is where the fun begins. To add color, use gel food coloring. Start with just 1 drop and mix well, adding more until you reach your desired vibrant shade. For extra flavor, try adding 1/4 teaspoon of almond or lemon extract. Remember to divide your icing into separate bowls before coloring if you want to create a variety of beautiful hues for your cookies. Now for the best part, decorating. Transfer your icing to a piping bag with a small round tip for easy application. Outline your cookies first, then fill them in. Let your beautifully decorated cookies dry completely for at least 2 hours or even overnight to prevent smudging. Any leftover icing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next baking adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.